Kesuarga Patisi TV.
Nongiakhih jangki patba Pakistan occupied Kashmir kalanang jor syuk mentah hak bagi patba klara di kitiar pemensau bani pen ibor bat ki Pulit kala kawang mau ya ki Pulit haduk bagi Pulit kin hapan ken randin ban Khang la di ki patba bikin yo lar bantur syakmat ki Pulit kala Khang Lynti di ki container ki behe hajing keng palak khana bagi patba kin sakut hajing keng bat kin lat Lynti syuk bantur syakman Henry ki patba kelawan ra da kapo Shilum bat kala Kyndang ki container bat berat cawa Nongiakhih along bersyirkai hak bak ladan ru kejingap beriu bat bungut ki bala mensau kadi-kadi Nongiakhih bala penlong da ka Awami Action Committee ban persya ke Kesuarga Pakistan nomor kejingi ben jongka yaki nong shong ke besyong basa ha Pakistan occupied Kashmir lani ke POK ka AAC kelabo laifu pratli ki mat jingdawa ha Kesuarga Pakistan bat kuwe ni kita kadai ban penduk pendamno yaki khat artli constituency ha POK ki blabo bha kerpang na kebenta ki poiwer Kashmir unong ilam jong ke AAC usyaukat Nawasmir ulama ham lupai Kesuarga jong ke Shebaz Sharif ban pinjur ke Nongiakhih hadu ba Kesuarga kan khlem lar ke jingdawa Kim Urlong Kesuarga Pakistan kelap hak syuk ki bor shipai ha POK namar kan jing pin ibor ki patba Henry ki patba lanang pin ibor syuk da ka penlong da ke Nongiakhih bahe harawa lokot Hajira Abbaspur Khaigala Panyola Batrakan
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.